Well, just went to start the truck and it lost all power. Yeah. And look, I know it's got power. It's still good. There's a wire somewhere. Or with that control module again. That randomly sometimes decides it wants to lose all power to the cab. Or to the ignition rather, or just about everything. So, let me try something real quick. Let me just try something simple. We're taking it all apart, checking that switch. They're nice and tight like I knew they were. But I'm thinking, what if I started doing all that work? Because I've done it before and then it just turned right back on. Battery terminal piece, take these off. Anyway, I could have used this earlier. Damn it. Oh, yeah, hold on. Hold on. There we go. Let's take off the battery for 5 seconds. See if that helps, because I don't feel like taking off the stupid, we ain't getting any spark either. It might be dead. And we stayed long enough to make the dings, but was cold last night, but I don't think that would have been too cold. It hasn't been ran in a couple of days, but honestly, it's got a brand new alternator on it right there. So it shouldn't be that. If it's another bad Walmart battery, that'd be about right. But it does have power to it. Yeah, hold on. I gotta take the stupid thing apart again. Well, here we go again. Once again. Here we go. Last time this happened, it was like 19 something degrees or like something like that. It was cold. It was really cold. It wasn't even 19 degrees. It was probably like 5. Don't work on my filming. Anyway. Let's see if we can diagnose why it decided to break on me. One of these days, I'm going to invest in a whole wiring kit from Painless Wiring, and this whole entire truck's getting rewired. Properly rewired. So I don't have to deal with any of this anymore. 40-year-old wiring, and who knows what's going on with it. Can't really blame the truck. Watch this. I'll just decide to. Nope. Okay. Alright. That one's only got one screw because this has happened so long. That shit stripped out. Oop. Alright. So now, we go down here and we unleash these 3 screws. These three screws here. Planning on taking the truck to Hot Springs tomorrow to the AutoZone job. That would have been really frustrating. But we know better. We know better than to take the Silverado. Not that it's not reliable, it's just really bad on gas, to tell you the truth. That only sometimes happens. And I always keep my tools with me. So, we could fix it if it did on the road. Is this more fun from my previous video with the truck of inside swipe by the electric company, and they drove off. It's okay. It's a beautiful day outside again. I don't think the truck's starting to like beautiful days. Now when it's beautiful days, it decides to break. Retaliation for being smacked on a beautiful day. There you go. Now, that's your brake piece there. That'd been a lot easier to replace if I'd done that the first time. So let me wiggle these little module wires here. Sorry, I'm using y'all for a light. Hopefully y'all can see pretty good. No, oh! You know what happened? The same shit that happened last time. The bolt fell out. So if I find a bolt, I can put it on there and it'll work right again. I need some Loctite. Anyway, what happened was, and the bolt is supposed to be right here. It has fallen out. I'd like to know where it's at. Maybe under my mat or something. I have no idea. I'll find that. I'll bolt that back in. It'll give it the correct amount of tension and it'll turn on. Alright, I shall be back. We're off to the junkyard to go get that bolt. Hopefully there is another one. I'm really hoping. Look at all this insulation. That's all messed up. Y'all think I need some more carpet? Maybe a little insulation? The rest of the carpet's fine since the driver's side. But yeah, that'll be something we do on this channel, is replace the carpet on here. Most definitely. Anyway, we're off to the junkyard to get that switch, the bolt for the switch over there. Because if that's not in, it's not going to make contact. If it's not making contact, we lose all power to the ignition. And we ain't going anywhere. So, I will bring y'all with me. I want to vacuum this. I'll probably vacuum it while waiting for Nick. And I got me some loom. I'm going to loom this shit. I'm going to loom this shit. Tell you the truth, while I wait for Nick, this shit's getting loomed. Okay. I'll be right back. Need to run and grab the rest of my loom anyway. But that's one wire. I'm not sure what that wire was going to. I think these right here are speakers. This is for sure ground. I believe. Hell, these both may be speaker wires. I don't know. This one's like a white and gray. So these maybe just be speaker light wires, and then the wire to the dome light. But still, I'd rather have them covered up than them just hanging around. So that's one thing done. I'll grab more loom and loom the rest of that. Vacuum up that mess while I'm waiting on Nick, if he doesn't show up in the middle of it. And shoot, I don't know what else to do at this point. I can't find that bolt anywhere, I'll tell you that. It'll be alright, it's just that bolt, and I'm going to get started. I'm glad I didn't have to work today. They let me off for some reason. Wasn't on the schedule, so I'm like, hey, save me. I sure would have been late. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all guys. Y'all have a good day. Just found this little spring. I bet that's why this broke. Because I heard something springy cling out. I don't know. Either way. I thought it was the ignition module. But what happened was... Sweet. This little wire... I'm filming this too, so next time it happens, hopefully it doesn't, but when it does, I know what's wrong. Yep, it's bad wire. I'm gonna get Doug to fix that for me. Because, it got ridiculous. Yeah, I do. I'll pick it up here. I'll get you one here in a second. Alright, everybody, it's time to fill up the gas tank again. Right about on E there. Mileage 2,134. I'm thinking I only really want like 100 miles this time. I don't know. We'll have to see from the last video. Alright. Lid on still. So many gallons. What is that? Huh. 35. Cool. Alright, we got a full tank again. 2,134. Let's go again.